So what do you do when the NFL screws over your team and they're out of the playoffs? Well, you put together the snowblower you bought a couple weeks ago, finally. And hey, if you're wondering, the best way to clear snow from your driveway or sidewalk is to buy a snowblower because it will never snow again. After the big storm 2 weeks ago, it's been above freezing every single day. But hey, we'll go ahead now and we'll show you what's in the box and how to put together Snow Joe Ion Plus 24 volt electric snowblower. Alright, let's get going. Just cut this open. This box weighs maybe 15 pounds total, so bulky but not heavy. And there it is. It looks like it's pretty much kind of intact already. And there might not be a whole lot of putting together for this. It looks like it's just folded up and ready to go. Well, I need two hands. I'm not using the GoPro yet, so I will probably have to turn this off and go. This feels like, that's a battery, one battery. I believe these are two 12-volt batteries, which gets you to 24 volts. As you can see there, you got two battery spots. This was a deal from Woot. It was two batteries, snowblower, and Snow Joe's little puck thing that you put on your windshield and that will clear your windshield. I'm not sure if that's what this is, but and charger. It was a special deal, I believe, for $150, something like that. It was a pretty good deal, so I jumped on it. And I'll go and there's the manual. This is actually the Snow Joe ice scraper thing that was a bonus. Somehow you set it on your windshield and you go like back and forth like this and it cuts both ways. I'm not sure, but hey. Oh, and it also came with a cover. And I think now I'm just going to have to pull this thing out of here. Alright, so it's out of the box. I believe this is some kind of tool, possibly to scrape out paddles. But yeah, just lifted right out. Pretty light. And this is the cover. And yeah, it doesn't look like much. Looks like it's pretty much ready to go. I'll open the manual up and see what we gotta do here. So after taking out the materials out of this bag, you have your manual included in there. Here's the manual for the ice dozer that came in this package for windshield scraper. It's crazy you got a manual for a scraper, but apparently it does all of that stuff. The warranty and this box here. This feels like it probably is. Oh, that's the charger. Okay. Well, yeah, it looks like, well then, we don't have much to do here. probably just take the covers off and pull the bolts, or unfold the arms, and let's get going. So as I suspected, it came completely together. Basically, the instructions are to pull this up, and now you're going to tighten these bolts. I'm doing this with one hand, and you can't really ask for easier setup than to hold and videotape with one hand and screw with the other. That's what she said. And then you're just going to then again tighten these, and you are off to the races. One-handed is how this is put together. It's kind of crazy with electric tools these days, how light they are, how compact they are, how you can store them way easier than you can other products. And there, it's all set up. Hey, look at that. She's good to go. Almost good to go. And as I suspected, this is a scraper tool to clean the blades out if it gets too gunked up inside there, but just pops on there. And then I think we just got to do something with this handle system right here, and then we're ready to go. We'll take it out to the garage and fire it up for a second. Alright, so it said you need to loosen this up and then move the deflector into position. See there? And now you can shoot any direction you want. Choose the angle, I believe. Yeah, see, like that, which, you know, on some systems you have ability to do that, but I believe this is what is going to control the rest of this. Yeah. So, but then you can fold this down again to make it a little more compact. Alright, we'll put the shoot handle on there next. Trying not to scratch this while I cut these. Probably have to do it with two hands. First time I've had to use two hands. So these are cut off, and now it says this is going to go down into this area here and cotter pin into this system. So far, that's the hardest part so far, and that still wasn't that bad. So there, that's sitting in there. Now we just gotta get this pin back down in there. Again, doing this with one hand. So far, this has been the toughest thing. Alright, so I got it on there. Again, I said alright. I don't know how many times I say alright. But as it was going in, it was kind of going in on this kind of an angle. So I almost had to take both hands and go in a little bit of an angle that way, and it went in way easy and snapped on. Now we just got to put this end on. So now we have to take this through this hole. And we're going to line these two up. So the two rods are together. You have to pull the cotter pin out of this end. I recommend just grabbing a pair of pliers and pulling it because it's pretty tough. Now they're both lined up. Now in the book it had the holes on these both going sideways instead of up and down, which might have made a little bit of difference in the way how easy it was to get in there, but we'll give it a go. Now they're lined up again, but it's a little hard to. This is definitely a two-handed thing because now this top one wants to rotate. But you see there, you just put the cotter pin back through, and you're all done. Cotter pin went in good. This is all here, and let's see, just a manual crank, shoot all your different directions. Be nice if it had the up and down on there that was controllable, but hey, I mean, you probably don't adjust that too much, maybe once or twice when you're snow blowing. But we'll take it out to the garage and we'll see if it fires up or if we have to charge these batteries first. Alright, so we're out in the garage and we're gonna see if these batteries fire up. You can see there, just snaps in like that. Hear that snap? Again, doing this all with one hand basically while I film with the other. Snaps in there. And if you push this as a safety button and then you pull the trigger. And it should start up. If these batteries have any charge on them, they may not have any charge on them. Now, you see there, that is also a light. It has a one LED light that should come on when the snowblower is turned on, and will go off 30 seconds after the snowblower is turned off. There she goes. See the light. Pretty sweet. I mean, you gotta say, for $150, $190, whatever it was I paid, I think it might have been $190. I think these were originally $2.99. Woot had them sale, and yeah, if you don't got a huge driveway, my driveway is maybe 3 cars long. And then we've got a small sidewalk and a small walk up to the house. So but my driveway is wide. It's 2 cars wide, and actually 3 cars wide. So it takes me about an hour to shovel it. But this I think is going to work out pretty good. 18 inches across, if I didn't say that before. And we'll try it out and get another video out there for you guys when we actually get some snow, which should be never because we bought a snowblower. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching the channel. I appreciate every view and every comment, especially the comments that are just from regular viewers. So and in conclusion, Lions got screwed. NFL, you know what you did. Later, guys. Love ya. Hey, it wouldn't be a Steelhead Station video if I didn't come right back after I said I was done and forget something. Takes up, maybe 3.5 feet, maybe, or so, of lengthwise across here. But if you want to fold it up, all you have to do, pop that pin, take these back down, folds right back up. Now it's just this width here, which is only maybe 18 inches, and you got a real compact thing that you can store over in the corner by your soil for your cactuses. So, hey, see you soon. Again,